Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're gonna learn how to replace the oil sensor unit or the oil level sensor. The sensor is gonna be on a BMW 325 or 330 Ci or any 3 series, the BMW E46. Sensor is gonna be all the way down on the oil pan. For that we're gonna have to either drain the oil or have a little pan under it so we can remove the sensor. It's gonna leak oil, so you're gonna have to put the other one right back in. So it's 2 ways. The right way, you're gonna drain the oil and then replace the sensor. Since I had to try something out, I'm gonna have to do it that way. Another way, so we're gonna start removing this plate under, because it's on our way for the oil pan. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna need to remove 16 millimeter bolts. There are right here. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 2 on that side, and then the 2 on the corner, and the other one 2 right here. So it's a total of 6. It's a huge metal plate. Let me go ahead and remove it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, the cover is off. I couldn't remove that one over there because it's busted. For some reason, I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna leave it on. So what I'm gonna do, I have my little pan in here. I'm gonna put it under there. So right now it's gonna leak all the oil, so I can catch it in there, so I don't make that much of a mess. And I'm gonna move that one more over there. So this one here is gonna catch my oil. I'm not gonna drain it because I have to do some other stuff. So I don't want to replace it and then put another new oil, and then I have to do some more stuff. So I'm gonna do that one. I have my sensor right here. This one is used, came from my 3.0 engine over there. So we're gonna test the water. I'm gonna try it on, and then let's see how it goes. So now to remove the plug, there's a little plug in here. It has 2 ears. All you have to do is pinch it for left and right. Pinch it, and then pull the plug out. So once it's out, let me try to hold the cell phone better. So there's the plug. You pinch it right here. You pinch here this, and you pull the plug out. It's full of oil. I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna have to pause it. And then after the plug is out, we're gonna remove 3 10 millimeter nuts. 1, 2, 3. Slide the sensor out, and then slide the other one in. Retighten it, and then voila. Let me go ahead and do that because I need 2 hands. I'll be right back. Alright, sensor is out. That's a little mess I made. That's the other sensor right there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash it with degreaser. We're gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna ready to reset the code. And let's see, we're gonna contact the obd2 scanner, and then the code should be away. Let me go ahead and clean it. Plug this one up. Just plug it. Let me go ahead and break some degrease it. Clean everything under here, and go check the scanner, see what code it throws. It should be clear. Okay, we are back. After putting some homemade degreaser in here, and then letting it sit for a little bit, and then I rinse it with water. This is how it looks now. Even when on the lower control arms, I almost crumb, or seems like I almost crumb or sandblasted them, but it's only with the degreaser. Look how it looks. Look right there. I didn't do under, but look the side, and look the other one. Now look the oil pan, how it looks now. So degreaser, then water, and then air with some air compressor. So that's how it looks. Even the sensor looks brand new. So now after doing that, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the guard, or the splash guard, or the cover, whatever you guys gonna call it. Put another 5-6 bolts, 16 millimeters back on. So let's go and reinstall it, lower the car, we're gonna hook that with the obd2 scanner and then read the codes again. Alright, the cover is back in. Now we're gonna lower the car. We're gonna lower it, check the obd2, and then the other code that he had, it was for the ambient or the temperature for outside, the climate. This is the sensor right there. It's right here. Look at it on the front bumper down here and right there. That's where it is. That's the other sensor. Alright, to check your light on the BMW, obd2 plug is gonna be right here next to your trunk switch. So right here, plug in your scanner. So están los codes. Ahí nos sale environment temperature sensor. That's the one I show you guys in the front. A little tip thingy. And the thermal oil level sensor. That's the sensor we replaced on the oil pan. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go on clear codes, and then check-in line is gonna be gone. Yeah, there's gone, and then that should work. Ya está reseteada. Clear codes completed. Okay. Codes. Está en cero. No codes. We'll go back. That's about it.